In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Apple Music ID. We will walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own device and end up with the exact Apple Music ID you need. First, launch Apple Music on your device. Open the Apple Music app if you are on an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, or use the Apple Music program on a desktop. When it opens, you should see the familiar Apple Music layout, with tabs like Listen Now, Browse, and Library along the bottom or side. If the app asks you to sign in, make sure you use the Apple account that actually has the music you are working with so the song or artist is available to select. Now navigate to the specific song, album, playlist, or artist profile you need. From here, use the Search tab to type the exact name or browse through your library if you already have it saved. When you search, you will see separate sections for artists, albums, songs, and playlists. Make sure you tap into the correct item type, because each one has its own unique Apple Music ID. Once you have it, open that song page, album page, playlist page, or artist profile so it is fully visible on your screen before you continue. Next up, tap or click the three dots icon. You will find these three dots next to the song title, near the album artwork, or near the top of the artist page, depending on which item you are using. When you tap the three dots, a menu will slide up or appear with several options related to that item. From that menu, select Share, then choose Copy Link. On iPhone, Share opens the system share sheet, and Copy Link usually appears as one of the first options. After you tap Copy Link, the link is placed on your clipboard, though you will not always see a big message about it. A quick way to confirm is that the share sheet will close and you will be back on the music page. With the link copied, paste the link into any text field or Notes app to locate the identification number within the URL structure. Open a simple Notes app, a draft email, or a message field, then tap and hold in the empty area and choose Paste, so the full Apple Music link appears as text. For an artist or an album, your ID is the string of numbers at the very end of the main link. The link will usually contain some readable text, then a slash, followed by only digits. Those digits at the end are the actual Apple Music ID you can reuse in tools, embeds, or integrations. Be careful not to include any extra characters after those numbers, such as question marks or additional symbols, since those are not part of the ID. You have now learned how to get the Apple Music ID from a song, album, playlist, or artist link. If this saved you time finding your ID, a quick thumbs up helps others discover it too, and you can subscribe if you want more tips like this.